Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A51 5G version. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the rear cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and rear cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame with wireless coil by undoing screws. First, undo 9 screws and then using a pry tool lift the wireless coil by cutting the adhesive under it. Next, disconnect the battery and both main ribbon connectors. Next, remove the broken battery. First, apply a little heat to soften the glue under it, and then use a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under it. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, place the new battery on the body by adding adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector and both connector plugs into the logic board. Next, add the SIM card tray and place the mainboard frame with the wireless coil to the body. Secure the frame by adding 9 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A51 5G version. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.